Hey guys, today I'm in the shop and got some work to do on the truck here, on the Peterbilt anyway. And yeah, well, I already popped that cap off, but you can see how that looks. So yeah, I believe I'm just gonna replace the whole cover. The cover's fairly cheap and it's plastic on this one, so I figured better to replace it. I just got in here to shop. Stopped at Harbor Freight. I hate Harbor Freight tools all they want, but some of the stuff, I mean, I picked this up, I think it was $8, and had longer bits in it that I liked. So, a couple cans of brake clean, always good to have around, and Harbor Freight had them about cheaper than anybody else. And I was running low on gloves, so. Yep, well, let's get to taking this thing apart and see what we got. Well, it's not required to jack up the truck for this, but it is a little bit better if you can. And I'll show you why here at the end. But we're going to jack this up just enough to get the wheels get the wheel off the ground a little bit, just to make it spin. So we'll go ahead and do that. Well, there's not much fluid down in there. Everything's a mess here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stick some rags and pack them down here, and hopefully they catch everything and comes out. A lot less fluid than what I'd like to see. I guess I didn't catch it early enough, but luckily I know there's no metal in there, and I can show you how I know that in a little bit. Now it's actually leaking a lot more than I thought it was going to, but a lot more coming out than I thought would. But I'm just going to go for it at this point. Yeah, anything else I can clean up when this is all done. And now you see here, you got this gasket. Pull that gasket out, and I'll clean it up a little bit better later. But I'm going to run and get a new axle seal. And I got the old one out to make sure it's the right part number. This is a Peterbilt, and I'm going to my Kenworth dealer to get it. It's a little bit closer, so I wanted to have the old part, make sure I got the right one. But yeah, and hopefully this does everything it's going to do without causing too big of a mess. But let's go get a part. Alright, well, I got this all cleaned up good. Finally went out and got my new hub. That was part number 1612. It was. That's an SKF number. And it comes with new bolts and the gasket. So yeah, I'll get all that on there. Let's see. take this hubcap out of here. The cap out. All right. One started. Two. I know the gasket's lined up. Oh, there we go. Almost like wheel lug nuts. All them tight. Now I'm going to go tighten them down the rest of them. All right. All right, what I have here, this is my cover, but this is called iMag. And I'll see if I can get a website for it for down there. I actually bought this at Mid-American Truck Show. So this is the cover, but that right there is actually a magnet. And so you put this in there, and then it almost becomes part of your maintenance. Like when I maintain the trucks, I pull it out and I look on that to see if there's any metal on that, and so far there hasn't been. That just seems like a good idea. But what I'm going to do, the reason we had it jacked up was so we could spin it. Apparently the jack lost some of it, so let me jack it back up here. Alright, so now that's that iMag's in there. I'm going to spin it around a little bit. That's it. Spreads the oil out there. All right. And it sure does. Yeah, well, it's definitely low. So. We're back up to the right level. I'll do it again. I'll just keep doing it until I don't have any more. All right, and after that time, it seems to be good. All right, I'm gonna clean this thing all up here. Make sure everything's all good on that. Nothing weird in there since I just had it out in and out a couple times. now it's time to clean the wheel off. I'm gonna use some bull snot on it. This wheel is nasty, but I won't make you guys hang around for that. I'll wipe it down, take me a little bit, I'll be back. All right, well, I got it all cleaned up. Got the wheel all cleaned up, and hopefully that fixes the problem. I got to put all this stuff away and let the truck down, and then I got some other stupid projects to do. But hey, I hope this helps someone. And if you like this video, I got this a whole lot of different stuff all about trucks. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.